Okay, hopefully we can do this in one take here. I told my wife we're going to do some gingerbread houses here for Christmas. But I titled this video, Why You Need Life Insurance Right Now. I created a little visual aid here, so just follow along. You died at 36 years old. You passed away, 36 years young. Your job paid, emphasis on paid, you $50,000 while you were alive. That is now zero. Your wife's job still pays her $50,000 a year to take care of your 4 kids. All of this while your wife and kids are trying to mourn. Your wife has to now pay for the house payment, pay for the car payments, pay for the living expenses, and then has to pay for the additional daycare expenses since you're not around. All of this while your wife and kids are trying to mourn. And while they're trying to mourn, the funeral director is excited. He's happy. Why? Because he gets paid his $20,000 and he doesn't care that that your wife had to put it on a credit card. Again, while your wife and kids are trying to mourn. Your wife can't afford all this. Follow the line right there. She can't afford it all. The bank man comes knocking. House foreclosure begins. Car repo begins. And your kids are crying because they have to move and don't know why. All while your wife and kids are trying to mourn. Now, to make matters worse, your husband's family is fighting over who should help pay for the funeral expenses since he's not around to do it and you don't have life insurance. And then the ultimate embarrassment for your wife and kids is they have to start a GoFundMe page. Basically digital panhandling so that they can pay for your funeral expenses. And all of that could have been avoided had you just called me, Ray, your life insurance agent friend, where I could have got you a 30-year policy, day one policy, every single day for 30 years. Your family would have $300,000 tax-free. They don't have to pay any taxes on that. They keep it all. $300,000 for 30 years in this scenario for just $31 a month. I mean, I don't think there's anything more to say. Call me. Let's get this set up. I promise you'll thank me and your family will thank me. Make it a fantastic day.